Alright, here we go. Hello YouTube, I18DD here with hi, a quick test with here's Kenny's gun. Awesome. So I'm gonna just shoot it out real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot to pull the stock. Okay, now we're good to go. That's one. That was two. Now this one's gonna go a little bit farther. That was three. Okay, well that was it. I just only put in three. So yeah. There's a quick test with the BBs, Kenny. So I'm gonna try to see if it works with the red laser during the day. Okay, well, of course it doesn't. So there's a short test. Please rate, comment, subscribe. 2011 Division Strategy Productions. Thank you for watching.